The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 13th of July. I'm James Spann. Looks like we'll have the classic mix of sun and scattered storms across Alabama today, and really every day for the rest of this week. It is that time of the year where the weather really doesn't change a lot. But here's the deal. This is the upper air look this morning. We've seen this pattern pretty much for weeks now. This big upper high back in the western states. Underneath that, they've got sinking air, very hot, very dry. Downstream, there is a trough lined up from the Great Lakes down to the western Gulf Coast region, and that's the reason the weather has been relatively wet for Alabama. And again, that pattern stays in place today, so we'll see some rain around later. Pretty quiet early this morning to start today. A little light rain around Chambers County at 5 o'clock, and that was about it. Most of the showers and storms coming this afternoon and this evening. Temperatures are in the upper 60s and low 70s to start the day. High should be in the mid-80s in most locations. That's pretty far below average for mid-July. Nobody griping about that. We all know we can be baking way up in the 90s this time of the year. There's the watch warning map. The heat advisories out west beginning to fade, which is good news. We note a flash flood watch for parts of Arizona, Nevada, and Utah as the monsoon season cranks up there. Southeast is quiet. There's the severe weather possibilities later today and tonight. Several risks well to the north and west. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk, parts of Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin. Marginal risk over parts of the northeast. And day 3, Thursday, a marginal risk from the southern plains up to parts of the eastern Great Lakes. Rain for the next 7 days. Again, fairly wet for the eastern and central states. This is suggesting for Alabama the heavier rains up around the shoals, maybe approaching 4 inches. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, 1.5 to 2 inches, and under 1 inch for the south. But as we always say, your number could vary because of the scattered nature of the storms. And look at that. The tropics just really quiet. Dry air subsidence, just nothing happening for at least the next 5 days out there. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. An upper high back in the southwest, broad troughing north of here, and scattered showers and storms will crank up later today. And in this air mass, they will be very efficient rain producers where they form. Highs mid-80s. This is tomorrow. Evidence the showers might be a little fewer in number, but not a major change. Highs mid to upper 80s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Same thing Thursday, same thing Friday. Scattered showers and storms around each day. Can't tell you exactly where they form in advance, but they'll be out there. What about the weekend? No major change. This is Saturday and this is Sunday, and evidence the more numerous storms could be over the Tennessee Valley, but understand these global models can't handle random air mass convection days in advance. We'll call it partly sunny Saturday and Sunday, the chance of scattered showers and storms, most active from roughly 1 until 11 p.m. Highs for the weekend, mid to upper 80s. Monday, moisture seems to be a little bit deeper. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, July 20th, upper high kind of shifting north. Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, that's the core out there, and that's the heat dome. Down here, broad troughing, and again, a number of showers and thunderstorms are likely, with temperatures still below average. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, July 22nd. Got a 594 ridge building north of the state. That's a little different look, but again, that's north of here. So once again, we'll have a number of showers and storms around. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean approaching 4 inches between now and the end of July. Temperatures most days, mid to upper 80s. We might touch 90 on a day or two, but again, that's well below average and very pleasant to see this time of the year. And speaking of that, look at the new CPC outlook. This is for July 20th through July 26th, and we are in the blue, which means temperatures here will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.